Okay, now we would try to write the normal equation in the deviation form. So it is yi equals to beta 1 hat plus beta 2 hat xi plus ui hat. Now this is the model which we have. Well, we can also express this in the alternative form where both y and x, they are in what you call as a deviation form. That is, both y and x are in the form of deviation from mean. Well, in case if I'm going to sum both the sides of this equation, so what I'm going to get is summation yi is equal to summation of beta 1 hat plus beta 2 hat xi plus ui hat. Okay, so this would mean summation beta 1 hat plus beta 2 hat will come out of summation. This will give you summation xi plus summation ui hat. Well, this would be n beta 1 hat plus beta 2 hat summation xi. Fine. Well, summation of ui hat would be 0. Okay, the reason being summation of ui hat being 0 is in case if you see your first normal equation. Okay, your first normal equation is actually your summation of ui hat. Fine, your first normal equation is actually giving you, I'm just writing this here, the first normal equation. Fine, when you derivate it and all, okay, first normal equation, it gives you what? Minus 2 into summation of yi minus beta 1 hat minus beta 2 hat xi is equal to 0. So this gives you minus 2 summation of, but this is nothing but ui hat equal to 0, and this gives you summation of ui hat equals to 0. So you have now here, so this becomes equal to 0, that is plus 0, and this is summation yi. So you can write summation yi equals to n beta 1 hat plus beta 2 hat summation xi. Clear? Well, and in case if you are going to divide it throughout by n, okay, if you're going to divide throughout by n, so what is it that you're going to get? You will be getting summation of yi upon n is nothing but y bar. This n and n will get cancelled out and you will have what? Just beta 1 hat plus beta 2 hat. Summation of xi upon n is nothing but x bar. Clear? So you have this equation with you. So you started up by saying what was this equation. Okay, this one. This equation was your first equation. So you, and let's name it as 1 and let's name it as 2. So subtracting 2 from 1, subtracting 2 from 1, you get yi minus y bar. Okay, because it is yi minus y bar, yi minus y bar is equal to, and beta 1 hat will get cancelled out and you will have beta 2 hat xi minus x bar plus ui hat. Clear? So, and yi minus y bar is nothing but yi is equal to beta 2 hat xi plus ui hat. Clear? So this is the normal equation, or sorry, this is your model in the deviation form. Remember this, that your original model was yi equals to beta 1 hat plus beta 2 hat xi plus ui. Now this is the model in deviation form. This is the model in deviation form. Fine. So thank you.